The National Weather Service in Miami has issued a special marine warning for Biscayne Bay, coastal waters from Deerfield Beach to Ocean Reef Florida out 20 nautical miles, waters from Deerfield Beach to Ocean Reef Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles, excluding the territorial waters of Bahamas. Until 3:15 p.m. At 2:49 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a strong thunderstorm, capable of producing wind 34 knots or greater and small hail. This storm was located 28 nautical miles east of Triumph Reef, moving northeast at 50 knots. Hazard: waterspouts, wind gusts 34 knots or greater, and small hail. Source: radar. Impact: waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Lauderdale by the Sea, Card Sound, Key Biscayne, Hallandale, Biscayne Bay, Black Point, Bay Harbor Islands, Port Everglades, Elliott Key, Triumph Reef, Golden Beach, Surfside, Indian Creek, Convoy Point, Turkey Point, Pacific Reef, Cape Florida, Virginia Key, Hollywood and Soldier Key. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service. You can also share your report with National Weather Service Miami on Facebook and Twitter.